Hey everyone, it's Noai Moore and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of transcription, a super valuable skill to have whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to level up your career. Welcome to our guide on transcription for beginners. We're going to break it down step by step so you can feel confident and ready to start earning. We'll be covering everything from the absolute basics to some insider tips and tricks that I wish I knew when I was first starting out. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started and common mistakes to avoid. So, if you're ready to add a new income stream or just want to learn something new, stick around. You won't want to miss this. Alright, so you're interested in transcription, but you're not quite ready to dive headfirst into paid work just yet. The best way to get started is by practicing with free transcription files available online. There are tons of websites out there offering public domain content, like speeches, interviews, and even old movies that you can use to hone your skills. These free files give you a chance to familiarize yourself with different accents, audio qualities, and subject matters, all without the pressure of a deadline or a client waiting on the other end. Plus, it's a great way to figure out if transcription is even something you enjoy doing. Maybe you'll discover a passion for transcribing historical documentaries, or maybe you'll find yourself drawn to the fast-paced world of transcribing podcasts. So before you even think about spending money on courses or software, take advantage of these free resources. Now let's talk speed. In the world of transcription, time is literally money. The faster you can transcribe accurately, the more you can earn. And that's where typing practice comes in. Websites like typingtest.com can help you improve your words per minute and accuracy. Just dedicate 15 to 20 minutes a day to practicing and you'll start seeing a noticeable difference in your speed and accuracy in no time. Remember, even a small improvement in typing speed can translate to a significant increase in your earning potential. Okay, so you've been practicing your skills, you're feeling more confident, and you're ready to start taking on some paid work. But where do you even begin? The good news is there are platforms out there specifically designed for beginners like you. Two of the most popular options are Scribe and Reverend. These platforms offer a steady stream of beginner-friendly transcription jobs, often with shorter audio lengths and simpler subject matter. They often provide helpful resources, style guides, and even forums where you can connect with other transcribers and ask questions. As you gain experience and build your reputation, you can gradually take on more challenging projects with higher pay rates. Now let's talk about a common mistake that a lot of beginners make, ignoring the context of the audio. Transcription isn't just about typing out words verbatim. It's about understanding the nuances of the conversation, the speaker's tone, and the overall message they're trying to convey. For example, the phrase "you're kidding," right, can have vastly different meanings depending on the context. Listen to the entire audio clip at least once before you even start transcribing to get a feel for the tone, the speaker's emotions, and the overall context of the conversation. Remember, you're a language expert, and your job is to translate spoken words into written text while preserving the intended meaning. Alright, you've listened to the audio, you've transcribed every single word, and you're feeling pretty good about yourself, but hold on a second. Before you hit that submit button, there's one crucial step you absolutely cannot skip: proofreading. Even the most experienced transcribers make mistakes, especially when they're working quickly. So take a few minutes to carefully review your work, read it out loud to yourself, use a spell-checking tool, and even consider having a friend or colleague give it a once-over. Taking the time to proofread your work will save you a lot of headaches in the long run and shows your clients that you're professional and detail-oriented. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to getting started with transcription. It's a skill that can open up a world of opportunities, whether you're looking for a side hustle, a flexible work-from-home job, or even a full-blown career change. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you get started with transcription. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful guides. We're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, keep crushing it.